Hello, my name is Sanket Mari, and I placed in the entity data with the package of 3.5 LPA with the support of the Evision Tech. It was very good decision for me to join the Evision Tech with their proper guidance and training. I get placed as an extra support engineer. Trainers explain all the concepts simply and practically way, like and extra support roles and responsibilities, Windows OS installations, Active Directory, networking concepts like IP address, DNS, subnet masks, also Outlook configuration, OST PST issue, hardware troubleshooting, printers and sharing folder permissions, antivirus and ticketing tool. They also help me with the interview preparation, real-time scenario, confidence building, and the support was always good. Because of the evision training and placement support, I successfully started my desktop support engineer. I strongly recommended you to join the evision tech who wants to start their IT journey. Thank you.